First go to the file and choose open. Select this background image, click open. Then go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this lemon PNG image, hit place. Hold the Alt button and decrease the image size like this. Click enter. Press Ctrl J to create a duplicate of this layer. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now take the elliptical marquee tool and select the lemon like this. Hold the Alt button and click on the Add Layer Mask option below. Then go to the file and choose Place Embedded. Select the half lemon image, hit place. Now modify the half lemon in this manner. Press enter. Expose the top layer. Right click on this layer and choose Rasterize layer. Go to Blend Modes and choose Screen. Now go to the image, adjustments and choose desaturate. Open image again, adjustments and this time choose levels. Adjust the input shadow and highlight levels like this. Press OK. Click on the Add Layer Mask option below. Take the brush tool, set the foreground color to black. Increase the brush size by using the right bracket. Now mask the top layer like this. Select the bottom mask layer, set the foreground color to white, then expose the leaf and stem in this manner. Now select the top layer, go to the adjustment layer options and choose color lookup. Here select the soft warming look. Let's see the final result.